Yeah. He did nollie trade nose manual on that thing too. Not on that, or on the court. Oh, you're right. Yeah, it was manual, not nose manual. Oh, 1 second. I need to look Ripley in. 1 sec. Ripley, I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't know I locked you out. Hey, buddy. Good boy. Okay. He wanted to watch us play. Got a big work week or anything coming up? Yeah. Really. Oh, yeah. It's fucking my drones up bad, dude. Bad. You see the people right here, right? You see these people with that? 1 second. Okay. Okay, you're good then. They were like, let the next hour's over. It sounds like it's pretty mellow from how you talk about it. I'm gonna find these people real quick. I know they're close to this house over here. Yep. I think they landed on these. I'm not sure. What do you need? Oh, they're in the open right here. Right here. Open, hit 3 times. Hold on, he's hurt. He's hurt. Right here, this window. No. If I get knocked, yes. You're funny. Yeah. Well, other guy's behind the back of it, back of the house. Okay? He's like behind the garbage cans. Where you were supposed to be. I don't see him anymore. Do you? They going left, left. Left window now. You go right now or what? Yep. coming. Hit the other guy twice. Thank you. Probably push. After we knock, we could push for sure. They said they're getting hurt. Yeah. Careful people behind us. I didn't see where everyone else landed. Really? Yeah, I think you're right. They're probably waiting for us to push, I guess. I know, but they're not peeking. Yep. Oh, left window. Knocked him. Dusty burrito. I have a nade. That's bottom left window right here is the knock, okay? Oh, top window. That. Ooh. That was a sick flick right there, baby. Ooh. I know, it was 2-tap. Hit 2 headshots. Ooh. Alrighty, I got 6 first aids, I got a lot of bandies. What do you need? Okay. Oh, we got those guys. Okay. Same. I didn't see anything else on them. Should get out of here though. Get a car and go, huh? Got a van here. No, there isn't anyone else here. I didn't see anyone else. Do you want to loot more? I'm pretty positive. Yeah. We could loot more if you want. I'm gonna go to this building. Yep, there is. For another 4 times. You already got one though. Yep. Might as well. Fuck it. Alright. Pretty good. Vertical. Okay. Roger. Yeah. I'm rocking on a 9mm too, so I'll let you know when I I got 3. Let's go. Get this card and dip out, yeah? Fuck out of here. There's a Murado right here. Yeah. Feel like I'll be able to hit some shots today. Feeling lit. I got 8 boosts if you need anything. Just call Holler. Bandies, I got 19. What about bandies? I dropped 10 in there for you. Okay. You're good. It's crazy, but fuck it. You can always go around. I would go around. Yeah, just fuck it, then send it. Don't say that. Wow. Don't go this way. I used to do that every time. You're good. Oh, I don't know where that's at. You know where? Can't see it. Yep. Okie dokie, artichoke. Yeah, let's go, like, up this way. Oh, car in front of us? Both dead. Go, let's roll. Okay. Dude, I don't know what it is. The AR, I cannot SMG out of the cars. It doesn't work for me. So yeah. So I just switched to the menu. I was like, fuck it, chuck it. 8 times I'm getting out of here. Right here. Oh, right here. Sorry. Oh, is that you? Wait, what's at me? I can't see him. Oh, I see him. He's dead. Knock. That was a bot. That was a bot. Oh, the other guy's right here. Both dead. Okay. We should probably get out of here. Reopen. Expose. Oh, you hear that? Okay, I'm gonna get the car before we go. Okay, we're in the open here. Yeah. The transmission slips. All right. People to our left at the houses. Just don't worry about them though. Like over here, to our left somewhere. Oh, outside. That guy was outside. I got 6K. I'm not. Yeah. Yeah. Hater, I love it. Just believe. Yeah. You can just cut through the left if you want. Worried about this town here, honestly. Oh, these towns are tough. But we're good. Yet again. I don't know how. Yep. Just don't go to the town, just... Alright. Yep, I'm just looking for people real quick before I look at the map, hold on. There's a dirt road right here. There's a dirt road right here. Where on my yellow? Dirt. Right here. Just go a little bit straighter and you'll see the road. Right here's where the road starts. Right here. It will get us in the zone to the east side over here. Oh, you sketchy boy. You got out? Oh shit, I thought we were stopping, sorry. Yep. That was such a violent crash, I thought you were crashing. A quad flipped over here. Just people are close. They're probably to our left. Looking for him. Fuck water treatment. Alright, yeah, crash it. Yep. Worked. We're in. We're in, bro. Oh, hear that? Not really. You can get on that if you do it right. You have to hold left, hold A and W at the same time, and look which way you want to stand. I swear you can. Hold on, I'm covering. Oh, someone's gonna roll in here, right? Or a pretty cheeky angle. Hold on, no. I got a sick angle. Hold on. I like this. 1 second. After this helicopter goes by. So fucking loud. Okay. Can't believe there's no one in here. People to our left. Alright, I'll try to get up. Alright, you wanna keep it? What, did they buff it? Oh, I guess I can't anymore. You're right. You are correct, yet again. Turn my fan off so I can hear it. Takes... Hold on. Turn my fan off. Okay. Coming to you. Okay. You want Alex on with it? Try to get there quicker than later, sooner than later, right? Yeah. Oh, get shot at from behind. It's a glider. Not dead. I'm healing. I gotta heal. I just fucked that guy up. Let's go. No. Box. Okay. I'm worried about people behind us up here though, because people up here already. Oh, there's a van right here. I'm just marking it. Okay. I'm just clearing our hill. We're clear. Looking behind you. Car coming. Get shot from behind now. I'm moving. I got knocked? No way. Uber far. Oh, it was the glider. The glider knocked me. That's why. I get it. I can crawl down if you want. Watch out for that glider, bro. Yeah. Right here. He's out. He's in the zone. Nice. He's hurt. He should die any second. Phase 5. He's dead. Nice job. Yep. I know. Yep. I'm gonna prone to heal. Thank you. Oh, I see them. They're in the boxes. Wanna go right? Wanna go the other way? Let's go east. Or northeast. Northeast, okay? I am. I'm healing. Wanna get out here with me, bro? I'm gonna heal up over here, boost you. Ready? I don't know where these people are, but I see the car right there. Right to our left, huh? Fuck. We try to push up there. Yep. Yes, sir. I'm a little bit more inside than you, but I'm right next to you. Yep. Yep. Oh, right in front of me, dude. I have to shoot. He's one shot right here. Oh, God. Dead. I'm running. He was right in front of me. He's dead. I'm running. I should be okay. Yep. Oh, God. So dead. Like uber dead here. Try not to. Yeah, I'm coming. No problem right here. I made it! Watch my right. I got a free kill right here. Why? Okay, I'm coming to you then. Coming to you. Right here. On the hill. Right here is where the other guy was shooting at you from. Knocked one. Push up to you. I'm gonna clear our right. I'm worried about this right here, Zach. I'm in the dead. Where? In the compound. And the house. Right here. Just jumped out. In a ghillie. Oh, he's in the fucking thing. They're in the tank. That's lost two teams. One team's right here, I think. Yeah. I'm coming. Watch our left, because I think there might be someone to our left, too. Yep, the last team to our left. So the tank and this team right here. Yep. I'm coming. He got out. Wait, wow. Winks to me. Just nade him. He's hurt. He's probably gonna be in the tank. He's gonna run you over. Just fight him. You're insane. I love this. Other people are coming. Other people are here. Last guy right here. Our last two teams. Wow. Dude, we just destroyed this game. Zach, we destroyed first game of the day. I dropped a 10 bomb, dude. You have to do. I record this whole game. That game was actually